Hey you guys, it is a blessing here and I'm finally back with another video. I took a little break from making content because I realized that it actually gets a little bit draining to make these videos back to back. But I am back and of course I'm better. I do have a really upscale haul for you guys today. These are all some gorgeous bags. Quality's A1 by the way, and this is also from like a private seller. I'm going to put their link on the screen right here so you can check them out. And if I have any discount codes, of course, I will also make sure to share them with you. I hope all of you are doing great. You all know that it's one love over here. I love every single one of you guys and I'm so grateful for all of your support. Of course, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. I've already opened these. They've actually been lying around for about, I'd say 3 weeks now, and I'm just now making the video, so everything has already been opened. This is the first bag. Oh my goodness. Again, it came in this box, as you can see right here. I like to make sure to show you guys the boxes that it comes in. Sometimes I do see hauls where they just show you the item. I like to show you how the item comes. And this is for those people who, you know, if you want to give this as a gift or if you plan on using it for something else, it's good to get an idea of what it actually looks like. So it did come with all the receipts and the ropes here saying Coach. So all of that stuff would essentially go outside of the box and then you can just use the rope to tie the box just as the original bags. And then of course it also comes with a dust bag. I always love to look at the quality of the dust bag because typically the dust bag quality will tell you about the quality of the bag. If I don't see any stitching on the dust bag itself, that tells me that okay, there's not going to be a lot of stitching issues on the bag. They actually took their time with this one, so really nice. This is our bag. So this is actually the Coach pillow tabby in the size 20. I do have this one in black. The black one I did get from dhgate. This is from a private seller, as I told you, so I would actually like to compare this one to the black one just so you guys can take a look and see what it looks like. But this is from the private seller, so this is what it looks like from the front. Again, we've got our really nice material here. We've got our C logo here. This material is made of some really good quality as well. I'm not sure if this is brass or not, but I do like to take a look at this material because oftentimes you find that with the, you know, bags from dhgate, this begins to rust after a while. So that's very important to take a look at. But that's how this one looks. This is the tag. The tag feels really good. It's sturdy and you can actually not tell the difference. So I definitely say this tag feels better than the one from dhgate. The one from dhgate is a little bit more flimsy, I'd say, but this feels good. Like it's not easily bendable. And then we've got our Coach New York logo on there. I also like to look at the color of the gold. I have made a comparison video of the Coach bags from dhgate, comparing it to the original Coach bag. I actually have an authentic Coach bag, so that was perfect. I was able to do that comparison. And this is what it looks like from the back, and this is it underneath. So again, with this color, I do feel like this color is easier to get dirty because of the bright color. But it's one of those bags that I just feel like it's so feminine and I look forward to wearing this in the summertime. All right, so this is me opening the bag. This is what the bag looks like inside. So we've got our, it says the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. It's not very visible or readable actually, but that's what it says on here. And then we've got our Coach logo here. And of course, under this, we've got our magnetic buckle there, and then we've got this inner space. Then in here, we've got one compartment here, and then we've got another compartment. And so then, kind of bringing this up close, this is what our Coach tag looks like. So we've got the tag, we've got the sewings and everything else going down there, and then beautiful, guys. This is so good. I definitely say this quality is better than the bag from dhgate, 100%. But the dhgate bag that I got is in all black. The brass is black, so I think you're not able to really tell. With most of the bags from dhgate, I like to get them in a darker color. just so that in case of any additional blemish, you won't really be able to tell that easily. And then this is what the straps look like. I also want to give you guys a really good look at the straps itself. So this is the straps. I don't see any stitching or anything going on with the straps at all, kind of just looking through the bag. And also the gold, not sure what material this actually is. Again, I can't really tell because this is not the real thing, but it doesn't feel like something that's going to rust. It doesn't feel like something that's going to become stiff over time. So I would definitely be wearing this. Again, you can wear it as a crossbody, just making it long like this. You can also wear it my favorite way, which makes it look so luxurious and gives off that Chanel-y vibe. And that's probably how I will be wearing it this summer. And that is all I had for this one. Let's move on to the next item. All right, next up we have another bag from Coach. So this one actually came in this beautiful, beautiful box. This is what the box looks like. And of course, it's already been opened. Everything in this haul has already been opened. And this is our bag. Gorgeous. It did come with a dust bag. The dust bag is a little bit on the flimsier side, and then we've got our receipts and all of that stuff inside of it. And ladies and gentlemen, this is our bag. Isn't it so beautiful? And I actually do have some slippers that would go so well with this bag, and just the two together would look so good. So I'm really getting into this light denim color and the darker denim color. I did get a denim Hermes slides in this bright color as well, so I really can't wait to pair the two together. But this is what it looks like up close. So we've got our Coach logo here, just bringing it a little bit closer. So Coach New York. And you can also kind of tell and feel the material feels really good. I don't see any stitching or any of that around the bag. That's very important to look at as well. So no stitching at all. Looking around the bag, it looks really good. And then we've got the C logo all around it. Again, this is the signature bag. Looking at the tag itself, I'd say this tag is a little bit more flimsy than the other one. So the Coach tags actually don't tend to be this flimsy. I was in the Coach store the other day and they tend to make their tags more sturdier than this. Then of course it also comes with the barcode with the tag on it as well, $3.50 as you can see there. And then it has the Coach signature on there. So again, this is actually one of those bags that I got in silver. I think it's the only silver bag that I have. I tend to just go for the gold, and I'm gonna take this off real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. So this again is silver hardware. It does have the Coach logo on there. It's just unfortunately not very visible on the camera. And inside of the bag, I do actually have the longer strap. I'm not a huge fan of the longer strap because of this right here. So this belt loop is actually the giveaway. The original bag does not have a belt loop that looks this square. It's a little bit more round, the original bag. The strap, or this piece right here on the original bag, looks like this. So this is good. So they did a good job with this part, I'd say. This looks pretty good. The only thing I'd say is this is just completely off, unfortunately. So I won't really be using this. I'm going to put this to the side. This is not going to be any piece that I will be using with this bag. But this is what our bag looks like inside. So just taking a peek, quick peek. This is our Coach tag, and we've got this little pocket here where we can put card holders, and also we've got another pocket here for actual cards, and then the rest of the bag is really just huge space. I'm gonna do a what fits in my bag video because I do actually think this bag fits a lot. It comes off as a small bag, but it's one of those small and majestic kind of bags. It has a lot of room in here. I can't remember the name of this Coach bag. I'm not sure if it's the Teri shoulder bag. It might be the Teri shoulder bag, I'm not really sure, but it does fit a lot in here. My camera fits in here, my phone, and a bunch of other stuff. So I will make an updated what fits in my bag video. Also, the only con I have about this is this strap here. The strap is a little bit flimsy, I'd say. It's not as sturdy as I had hoped. And then of course, this piece right here has the Coach logo as well. Okay, so that piece actually does fit in. So this is what it looks like, kind of putting that piece away. I did think that the bag looked a little weird with that just kind of hanging out, but that piece has the Coach logo on it as well. So I just kind of folded it in here so that it looks better. And then of course the bag just closes up like this. Alrighty, you guys, this is actually all I had. I just came on here to show you these two gorgeous bags. And of course, I will be back making more videos. I will also make sure that I provide some shorts videos for you as well. I do feel like it's been a while since I have been here, been rambling and yapping for you guys. I love making these videos. I love talking. You probably noticed that already, but if you want to check these out, everything will be in the description box. And also, I will make sure to share my links to other items from the Gate if you want to check those out as well. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section or feel free to email me. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.